Let's graph this linear inequality, x is less than or equal to -4. Remember how you graph an inequality? You first look at the corresponding equation to find the boundary line. So where is the graph of x is equal to -4? I don't believe we should need to plot ordered pairs here. We should know by now that this is a vertical line, and it's a vertical line that goes through -4 on the x-axis. So let's graph our boundary line, -1, -2, -3. Here is -4, so I'm drawing a solid boundary line. Why? Because the inequality symbol is less than or equal to. So there's my boundary line, and that is the only reason I need to look at the equation. Now the graph of this inequality will be to the left of the boundary line, including the boundary line, or to the right of the boundary line and also including the boundary line. To see which side of the boundary line I shade, I look at a test point. A test point will be any point not on the boundary line. And I'll try the point with coordinates 0, 0, just because it's a simple point in order to plug into these values. If x is 0, I'll have 0 is less than or equal to -4. That's either true or false. Notice this is a false statement, which means I do not shade the side of the line where my test point lies. I shade the other side of the line. So this is the graph of x less than or equal to -4.